Welcome students, thanks for joining me. Your assignment for this week for resource class is to organize your Google Drive. What I want you to do is create a folder within your Google Drive for each class that you have, and then organize all of the various assignments and pieces of information into those correct folders. So I'm going to go over in this video how exactly to do that. When you open up Google Chrome, you come to a page that looks like this, and in the top right is a button with 9 dots. That's called the App Changer button. You're going to click on that and open up your Google Drive. It's this triangle-shaped logo right there. When you open that up, it will take you to the drive where all of your Google documents are stored for you. Right now, it's maybe a disorganized mess. And so that's what I want to change this week. So once Google Drive opens up here, this is my Google Drive. And so what you see are a whole bunch of different folders. These folders have different class names, like a Concepts of Science class or an English class or a pre-engineering class. This is how I keep myself organized. All of my documents and materials for these classes go into these folders. And this is what I want to help you create. So what you might have is something that looks like this. Your drive might just be a whole bunch of just random Google documents, maybe some slideshows, maybe some spreadsheets for all of your different classes. It gets really challenging to find the information that you need when you need it, if this is the way that you have it set up. So once you're in your drive, if you have just a disorganized mess, what you're going to go in and do is create a folder for each of your classes. So to create a folder, you click on this New button up in the top left corner, and then it'll ask you what you want to create. I want to create a new folder. And you're going to name this folder the name of the specific class that you're in. Don't just call it English, because last year's English class is a different name than this year's English class, which will be a different name than next year's English class. So call it your specific English class. Maybe it's Communications, maybe it's Sophomore English, maybe it's English 9, whatever your English class is called. So I'm going to pretend I'm a 10th grader in Sophomore English. That's what I'm going to title my folder. Now I have a folder called Sophomore English. And then maybe I'm going to create a new folder, click on that plus button and the add a folder button. Maybe I have World History. And I'm going to click create a folder called World History. And then maybe I also have Geometry class. So I'm going to click on the plus button again and add a new folder. I'm going to call it Geometry. And click on Create. Once I have all of these folders created, there's 2 ways to add the content to those folders. So again, I have just kind of a disorganized mess of various assignments here. I go back and I just can drag and drop the assignments into the right folder. So here I have an assignment called English class assignment. So if I click and hold down the button, I can then drag it up here until the Sophomore English folder is highlighted, and then when I let go of the mouse button, it will move it to that folder. And you'll get a note down here that says the English assignment has been moved into Sophomore English. And so now when I double click on the Sophomore English folder, it'll open up that folder, and there I see my English assignment in the English folder just like it should be. You can use these buttons up here at the top to navigate around. Right now I'm looking in my Sophomore English folder. If I want to back up to where I just was, click on the navigation buttons up there at the top. We'll do the same thing with my math assignment down here. So I'm going to click and drag it up to the Geometry folder, and that'll add it to the Geometry folder. There's another way to move these documents around. So let's say that you're in your history teacher's Canvas class and they have a link. They want you to open up a Google Doc and do an assignment. So you click on their link within Canvas and it opens up the Google Doc and you get something like this. This is their worksheet. You've made a copy of it and now you're working on the history assignment. How do we get this into the right folder? Well, there's a button up in the top with a little, looks like a file folder and an arrow that says Move. When you click on that button, it allows you to move this document to wherever it is you want it to be. So if you're in your drive, you're going to select on the right folder. There's my World History folder. If I click on that, and then click on the Move button, I now saved this document into the History folder. So now when maybe I get halfway done, run out of time, I close out of this document, and I want to come back in later to finish up this assignment, I go into my Google Drive, there's my History folder, I open it up, and right there is my History assignment. I know right where it is. Okay. Another key to organizing your Google Drive is to properly name all of your assignments. So I have just a generic name up here. It's called History Assignment. That's not very helpful because over the course of the year I'm going to have dozens or maybe even hundreds of history assignments. So I want to give this a more specific name, and I want to name this exactly what my teacher named it in Canvas. So I want to give it the same exact name that Mr. Gunderson, my history teacher, or whoever your history teacher is, whatever they called it in their Canvas class, that's what you want to name it. That way when it comes time to turn it in, you're not digging around looking for the right assignment. You know exactly what it's called, and it's all done. Okay? So at the end of the week, in our second meeting of this week, what I want to see from you is your Google Drive organized in a way that looks like this. You have folders with all of your class names on them, and inside those folders I want to see the actual assignments, the documents for those classes, not just empty folders here. I want to see a folder full of history assignments and a folder full of English assignments and biology and whatever other classes you're taking. I want all of your documents organized in your Google Drive. That way it's easy to find things. That's your assignment for the week. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.